Woo-wee. All right, here we are, 2010 Dodge Challenger, Miss Brittany's car. It's gonna make her do this, but she's in bed and we're swapping her battery out. Battery went bad. O'Reilly's over here giving us garbage. It's less than a year old though, so they'll warranty it. But she has an issue. So if you have an issue where your trunk latch, even with your trunk closed, thinks it's open, it's a super easy fix. Got a new latch part here. I'll put a link on Amazon, so if you need one, link below. And yeah, super easy. So don't forget, you got this little don't lock me in the trunk safety switch here. So you're gonna push that through your little carpet while you pull it down, so that you can literally just kind of pull this carpet down. I don't know how to film this good, but like I'm kind of just work it, pop it over, and then pop, and then slide that through. So now that's down out of the way. We got 2 10 mils holding this latch in, and a couple of plugs to unplug. I think we got one plug here, so we'll undo that one right there. And then this has a ground wire on that one, so we gotta remember that. Unplug this one, just has a little pull down tab. Now I'm gonna unbolt it, get this ground wire out, drop it down, and see what the remaining plug looks like. Actually, it turns out that was the only plug. It looked like there was a second one, but there's not. So you have your ground wire on this 10 mil, and then you have the singular plug with the tab. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, just like that. Interesting thing about this latch that I noticed is that these holes are not slotted. Typically, these latches are adjustable, as well as the striker down here. But it looks like the adjustment's all on the striker here, so this is a really easy swap and repair. So here we go, we got the new one. We're gonna put it in. Hey look, it even came with nourishing lip balm. I'm just kidding, that was also ordered from Amazon, I'm guessing. But simple as just setting it back up there, bolting it back in, and plugging it back in. Just make sure you don't forget that ground wire. All right, there we are, 2 10 mils are back in place. Plug the plug back in, ground wire is where it's supposed to be. Now we're going to take, hey, this one seems like it has a much longer don't lock me in the trunk thing. That's nice. See, this one's short. This one's much longer, this replacement part. That's cool. Voila, simple as that. So as soon as we get this battery warranty replaced, we'll put it in, and we'll show you there's no longer an alert on the dash saying open trunk all the time, and we are good to go. All right, back from O'Reilly's. Clayton's doing the Lord's work over here, getting that battery installed. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Swapped it out for us because that's how they do. And here we go. All right, battery installed, new latch installed. Let's see if this fixes the old open latch issue. Let's see if it closes. Bam, like a glove.
First sign of success.
Body lines are fine, which is good because there's no adjustment on what we just did.
Oh, got lights, that's a good sign. Trunk does not say it's popped. All right, popped it. It says it's popped.
All right, trunk is popped.
Not popped.
Trunk is unpopped. Woo!
All
right, look in the description if you need parts. And thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if it helped you, and subscribe if you want to see more. Oh, look, she knocked your mirror off again. Doofus.